She passed the sandy gardens with little snow white feet. I did him take loving easy as the leaves grow upon the tree. But I was young and foolish, and with her did not agree. But I was young and foolish, and with her did not agree. Filled with light, we slowly sipped our Guinness. Then he told me about his kin. Methinks tonight he'll be dreaming about Dublin. The couple in the corner share the same distant stare as they listen to the singer who is singing over there. He was drinking ale, she was drinking gin. Methinks tonight they'll be dreaming about Dublin. These walls haunt with memories like magic, as do the tables and the ceilings and the floors. When we're here, we're just a wee bit closer to Mother Ireland's misty shores. The bartender's name was Danny. He was standing by the stair. He listened for a moment while he played his favorite air. Thought I saw a tear, then I'm sure I saw him grin. Methinks tonight he'll be dreaming about Dublin. Now my heartstrings are tired, and my fingertips are sore. The last of the customers has wandered out the door. Tomorrow I'll be waiting for the session